Hello guys, welcome back to Travel Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the cursor on your mouse is suddenly disappeared and you can't move, and how to fix this up. So most probably you'll be wondering how to do this. So I'm going to show you with moving the cursor, but also I'll be giving you the instructions when it's not moving on a case what you have to do. So one of the first question is, when your cursor is not moving, how you can navigate to something else, right? So first thing what you have to do is, in order to get this one, the search bar over here, if you wanted to make it up and you have to search something, you have to press Windows and S key all together. So you'll be getting like this. This is the first step what you have to do. So since your cursor is not moving or you're having an issue, now here you have to type for device manager, right? This is where we have to navigate to, and you have to click at the top and press enter. Now this will take you to device manager, and from here you have to press tab so that it will select the first one at the top, and rest thing you can navigate to with the rest buttons over here using the arrow keys which we usually use to play for the games. And now here you have to come along and you have to reach here at the section which is mic and other pointing devices, and you have to press enter. So now this is how it looks, and you have to cancel this and you have to expand this, so you have to do this, right? And now from here you have to select the respective one and you have to press enter. So this is how it looks. Now you have to navigate to next, so you have to press tab in order to do this. Now you have to go at the top, like you have to go at the top. So you have to press once again, so it is selected at the general. So from here the first step is we have to update the driver, so you have to press once again tab, so it will select the respective one. And now you have to click on update driver. You have to click on update driver, so you have to click tab once again in order to change in between. So the first step is you have to update the drivers, and after updating the drivers it's still not working, then the next step is all about disabling the device, I mean uninstalling the respective driver. So you can do in between like this, and you can go for uninstall. Once after uninstall you have to reinstall it back and try it once again whether the issue is fixed or not. If it's not working, then the next solution which I would like to make you notice is that you just have to just go back, and you just have to go back, and the respective one is you just have to download the respective driver of your mouse from the Google. Go to Microsoft Store and you have to download it. This is what you have to do, and once after that it will be most probably helping you out to fix the issue up. These are the basic steps which you have to do, and I hope this video will be helping you guys. And if you find any kind of doubts, do ask in the comment sections. We will get back to you. And this is Shahin, officially signing off from Gadget Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.